Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today Garfield chooses my makeup. I recently got some DMs saying do a video with Garfield, Garfield chooses my makeup, and I was like, how? I didn't really know how that worked, so went on YouTube, found a video. I watched JKiss's video where her dog chooses her makeup and it was really cute, so I thought it would be fun to do it with Garfield. So I'll just jump right into it and we will watch as Garfield chooses my makeup. No, don't just sniff. Pick one. Garfield, what are you doing to me? Every other time you trash my makeup, but today you won't even look at it. You've got all these fun things to knock over. Pick one. You have to touch one. Not my hair. He picked Too Faced Hangover. You wanna pick one? Pick one. Oh, just walk over them? That's great. Go pick one. Oh Jesus, this is not going to be easy. This is going to be a long day. Okay, I'm just going to throw them and see what happens. Pick one. Oh, okay. You sniffed this, so I'm going to pick that. Otherwise, it could be a while. You ready for concealers? I'm going to spread them out so you can pick one. Maybelline! Good boy! Oh, good God. Pick one. Yay! You picked my favorite! You picked my favorite! Look, pick one of these ones. Okay, it's getting easier. Let's try these. You picked one. I have to come back with one, okay? I don't know if you saw that, but he picked brown. Didn't you, sweetie? Ready for mascaras. Whoa, that was a quick one. Now, go pick a good one. Hey, buddy, look behind you. Oh, this is what he hit first. But I decided to put a blue and a red, and I have like a dark purple and stuff like that in there too. So it wasn't all nude, but he picked a nude gloss. I feel like I need something to go with this though. Oh, will we put that with it? He seems to be kind of into that. Pick a palette. Oh, yay! That was a definite pick, wasn't it? So I'm going to start off with my Too Faced Born This Way primer. That goes to show you how long I haven't used this primer in. You know when like you don't use like a... You know when you don't use like a creamy liquid product for a while and then it like congeals in the tube? Yeah. I actually do really like this primer though. It is a good one. I'm the worst. I always just like when I love something I will just use it over and over and over and over again. So that's what I have been doing with the Marc Jacobs primer. Guess what? I finally washed brushes. A very small handful, but enough to keep me going. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay and use this Tarte brush. So yesterday I went out and it was like 29 degrees or something ridiculous. And it was so hot. I went for a walk. Me and Crystal went for a walk and we went to get some lunch and we sat in the park. Well, not really, it wasn't really a park, it was like down by the waterfront. And I was like, right, what foundation will I wear that's not gonna sweat off my face after 5 minutes? So I wore this and it didn't budge. I was only out for a few hours, but within that few hours, like, it did not budge. it wore off around my nose area from where I have my sunglasses on, which that always happens anyway. But other than that, like, it stayed on everywhere. So if you're looking for a foundation that's gonna stay on, definitely check out the Maybelline. This is the Super Stay 24-hour foundation, and it is full coverage as well. So I just thought I would share that with you. Foundation is done. Oh, the shade I used is 120 Classic Ivory. He picked the Maybelline concealer as well. I think he likes Maybelline. This is the Age Rewind concealer in the shade Ivory. If you missed one of my last videos, I did a highlight contour video. So if you're interested in like a very detailed step-by-step, I'll link it so you can check it out. I'm just going to use the other end of this brush just to blend this out, because my beauty blender is not damp and I'm too lazy to get up and dampen it. If only Garfield could do that for me. I want to be able to bring him out on adventures. There's this cat account that I follow. It's called, is it called Suki Cat or Suki Adventures? It's this little Bengal cat, and their owners, they're actually Canadian. I think they're Canadian, or they live in Canada anyway. And they always bring the cat on adventures. Like, he has like 500,000 followers. It's insane. I'm going to show you. Oh my god, they're close to 1 million followers. And they bring the cat on all these adventures. Like, this is their page. So they bring him on all these, or her on all these adventures. I'll link the account below because it's like honestly one of my favourite accounts. But look how beautiful the pictures are. I'm going to go in with my Hourglass powder that Garfield gladly picked out for me. I was very happy that he picked this one out. Although I don't think I'm going to need a lot of powder because this foundation is like a matte finish. It's already set quite nicely. And my skin is dry, so I don't want to dry it out anymore. So for once, I'm not using cream contour. I'm just going to go straight in with my bronzer. This is the Annabelle Cosmetics bronzer. And I'm just going to use a Morphe brush. There's no number on it, but this is how it looks. And I'm just going to warm up my skin and lightly contour with this too. Am I doing a good job so far with the products you picked out? Am I? You looking at yourself in the mirror? Do you know what you look like? You're very cute. Yeah. Arse and face, lovely. I forgot to do my eye bases, so I'm going to do these now really quick. Oh, there we go. Finally. I also forgot to do lashes, so I'll just put 3 of them here and see what one he picks. Oh, yay! Which did you pick? You picked Ella! Yay! Taking my eye base. This is the Benefit one. It's called Stay Don't Stray. So I'm going to take the shade Sickening and I'm just going to build this kind of like above my crease. In the crease, but like on the above side of the crease. I just always like to have a fluffy brush with no product on it just to help blend it out. So the brushes I'm using, the first one I use is a Zoeva 227 brush, and then the fluffy brush with no product is a Makeup Forever, no, Makeup Addictions, Tapered something, I don't know, the name has worn off it, but this is what it looks like. So it's just a good big fluffy. I'll take a little bit of Mug, and now just a little bit lower into the crease. Don't worry, I'm not going to go too neutral. I'm going to take some of the shade Pageant Queen, which is this really nice bright purple, because I want to still bring some colour into it as well. I don't want it to be all neutral. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, I was going to do it on the inner as well, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm just going to do this on the outer part first. So I just like to pack the colour on first. And then I'll just lightly soften the edges. That way you're getting like as much colour payoff as possible. So I kind of brought this in quite a bit, but it's kind of faded in, you know, it's not as intense as it is on the outers. Just gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna sharpen this edge, just like tidy it up a little bit. Just pulling it kind of back towards the temple. I'm gonna take some of the shade Beat. I'm gonna do it in the inner corner. Good old Garfield, picked out my Marc Jacobs liner in the shade Brownie. So I'm gonna go into my lash line with this. And then blend it out. And into my waterline as well. And then, going back into Pageant Queen, I'm gonna go over this. And then, gonna take a little bit of the shade Sickening, which is the first neutral shade that we used, and just soften the edges. Now I'm gonna use the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And then I'm going to use the Ella lashes that Garfield chose. Bronze again, because my eyes are very, very smoky. That I need my skin to be a bit more bronzed. I'm going to take the highlight. The one Garfield picked was Exposed from Tarte. I haven't worn this in forever. We're going to go in with Queen Bee from Too Faced. This is their Melted Matte. Okay, the gloss on top it's one of the Patrick Star new glosses. Ooh, that kind of toned it down a little bit and it worked. I'm gonna go film a quick IG hair video, so my hair will be quite different when I get back. So I'm back with a new do. I do have a wig video on YouTube of how I put my wigs on. I will link videos below. I just made a quick Instagram video as well because I've been getting so many questions lately about this wig. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with how this makeup turned out. It did go a bit smokier than I was expecting to do, but that's okay. Smoky is never a bad thing in my opinion. And I think Garfield did a good job at picking the colours. Right now the poor little thing is panned out fast asleep. I think it's probably the heat as well. The heat makes him tired. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go and once again stand in front of the fan for a couple of hours because I'm dying right now. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.